Alright, so now we are going to solve the same questions using our formula. And so there's several different ways to solve these questions always. Please use the method that you feel most comfortable with. So here we have the same questions. They say, first question is, if the average price of a car is $40,472 today, what will the price be in 12 years if the price increases at 12.3%? So when we're writing out these questions, we always want to identify what we're given, and we also want to use something called a kind of like a timeline. So the first stage to solve these questions is normally to draw out a timeline, and so we have, here is our present value, here is our future value, and then we have a time. So this will be our, sometimes we have years, so in this case we have 12 years, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12 years, and our rate is what? 12.3%. So the rate equals 12.3%. And our present value is 472. So what we're looking for is the future value. We're given the present value equals 4,472. How do I make this? Oops. There we go. So our present value is 4,472, our rate is this 12.3, and our n is 12. And so our formula, if I can get the screen to go down, well, our formula for present value is present value equals actually we're looking for a future value, so let's go back. Future value equals 1 plus r to the n times present value. So in this case, we go back to what we were given. We were given our 1 plus r, 1 plus our rate was what? Our rate was 12.3, so 0.123, and our number of years was what? 12 times our present value was 4,472. So I can put it on 44. We'll put it over here. 4,472. All right, so we can go to our financial calculator, and we're going to solve this the longer way. So what we have to do is we have to start from inside the brackets. We'll erase this. All right, so we have on our financial calculator here, we want to take 1.123. So that's inside our bracket, and we want to go to the power. So this is y to the x 12, 4.02, and then we want to multiply that times our present value. Our present value is 4,472, and we get a present value of future value equals 162 821.50. Alright, so that's how we solve the formula way. So let's take a look at the second question, and let's do it the formula way. So the second question, what is the future value of, so we're given the present value equals 4709, and we're given our rate equals 3.25, and we're given our n equals 11. So again, we can draw a timeline. Our present value is 4709. Our number of years is 11, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're looking for our future value, and our rate equals 3.25. Alright, so our formula for future value is the same. We can do it, put it in many different ways. Present value times 1 plus r to the n. And in this case, our present value is 4709 times 1.0325 to the power of 11. So we can go to our financial calculator, or we can just use a regular calculator this time. And so we have our 1.0325 y to the x 11, and we multiply that times our present value 4709 equals so we end up with this future value equals 4.52. Alright, so that's how you solve future value questions using the formula.